Show you around campsite up. Got my saddle and everything underneath the pack. It's waterproof. I think it's gonna rain all night. And then, inside the tent, got my panniers and extra stuff. That's the dog blanket on top of mine right now because they keep sleeping on top of it. And then eventually I'll put it over here, and that'll be on the pack saddle pad. That'll be good for them. Should be pretty good for the night. Just got done giving them water. They're at about 2.5 pounds each of grain. Just put it on the float ground. They'll eat through it.